Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share my final goodies that I got in the Spellbinders Spring Warehouse Clearing Sale. Oh no, Warehouse Cleaning Sale. That's it. So I had put in 2 additional orders, so they all came in this week, and I want to share with you what I picked up. So I picked up another pack of the Spellbinders 6x6 cutting plates, and I believe these were $5. That. Ooh, trying to make sure it doesn't glare so bad for you. I also went ahead and picked up these pink extended cutting plates for my Platinum 6 machine. This is the universal plate system, and I do have that plate system for my Platinum 6 machine. And these were like $11 and some change, and they were pink, and I said, oh, that's pretty. Let me pick these up. I picked up this Spellbinders die set, and it's called True Friends. And here are some of the sayings. Friends are gardens of our souls. I wish you lived nearer, just across the way. I wish you lived right here every single day. Isn't that a pretty stamp set? And it was like $3. I did pick up this fall label motifs. Now, I do believe I have the summer one, and I went ahead and I picked up the fall one because, yeah, even though we're in spring and summer, fall will be here before you know it. And there's no real time to say when you want to craft for fall or when you don't. It's totally up to you how you want to craft. And I picked up this color block cloudscape. I think these were just a couple of bucks. Now, it's a little different than what I thought it was going to be, but I'll play with it and see what I can create. Okay, yeah, I did get the summer label motifs. That's what I thought. So I have the fall. There's the fall, and here is the summer ones. So that's what it looks like on the back. I like this little flower right here. Isn't that pretty? And the little butterfly. And I think this was like $5. It was no more than $5. I also picked up the delicate butterflies. You got 8 cutting dies. And I was totally enabled. I think I was watching Suzanne, who's a creative muse. Hey, Suzanne. I was totally enabled by her. When she shared this on her channel, I was like, okay, Gail, you want to get that too. So those are the delicate butterflies. And I think they were like $5. I also picked up this sweet leaf. Oops, sorry, light with my light. I also picked up this sweet leaf mini slimline. You get 5 cutting dies, and that's what it looks like. So I like that you get this label here, but I really like the inlay of all of this a vine leaves pattern, and then some little flowers here. And I think this was $5 or $10. Don't really recall. I did get the color block balloons. I passed on it the first time, and then I watched a couple of videos, and I said, oh, I really want those in my stash. So that's what they look like. And this gives you some great inspiration on what you can create. Now, I also picked up the butterfly card creator. Now, I have some butterfly cutting dies from, is it Hero Arts, one of their nesting? But when I saw this, now you get the flowers, you get all of these goodies to go with it. I was like, oh, I really want this. So you get 14 cutting dies, and I want to say this was like $10 or maybe, I don't know, I can't remember off the top of my head. But I like that you got this big large body, and you got all these different little flowers to go with it. So that is the Butterfly Card Creator by BB Cameron. And last but not least, I did pick up this deco cutting dies from Spellbinders. I think this was $10, $5 or $10. I can't remember. Well, that don't really tell you nothing back there. It's just some inspiration. But I have a deco cutting dies from Diamond Press, but I wanted some more in my stash, and I like that you get all this varying pieces, and you get 19 pieces here. And like I said, I think this was like $5, $10. It wasn't that expensive. So guys, this is my final Spellbinders warehouse clearing sale, cleaning, no, warehouse cleaning. I don't know why I can't get that right. Warehouse cleaning sale. If you like the video, let me move my plates out the way. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Sorry for the glare. If you like the video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. Did you guys pick up anything in this Spellbinders huge warehouse sale? Oh my God, the prices were amazing. There were more things in there, but I limited myself because I'm like, okay, Gail, you're getting ready to go to a scrapbooking show the weekend of Mother's Day. Don't go crazy. But oh my goodness, it was just so hard to pass up how well some of these deals were with Spellbinders. Guys, I want you to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.